I like things that are slightly different, slightly edgy. And that's what we've done with Ahmanet. So many period looks have already been done. I thought we need to bring her more into our period. I extend the eyebrows. I use the black trap and make the eyeliner more prominent. She's just got a little gold in her tooth. And the nose jewellery. We painted her fingernails gold and then we dipped them in a beautiful blue from that era. That gave her an edge. As the mummy, I wanted something that was beautiful but still a monster. The raised runes all over her body come from the Book of the Dead, so they do actually say something. We've mapped her out into 5 stages. Stage 5, she's come back to fully formed, but she's always part of the underworld. Originally, it was a 5.5-hour makeup and hair, and it's become a 3.5-hour makeup. And it can't go any shorter than that, really, because you have to do the whole body. I've always used MAC whenever I can. They've always had such a wide range of colouring. The new MAC mascaras are really good. Powders, all the mixers, they're very innovative. They work on the fashion side and they've got a good relationship with film makeup artists too. It's not just a makeup, it becomes the character. For me, that's really exciting to see that up on the screen.